Okay, so the next use case we're going to look at for comparatives is this template. Who is more blank than blank?
Okay.
So for example, who is more deserving of your love than your children?
Okay.
Okay, so if you notice, this question is not a literal question, it's actually a rhetorical question.
A rhetorical question being...
So you're not looking for an answer, right? We're not actually asking you to tell us who is more deserving of your love than your children. We're just trying to get you to think.
Okay.
Right? So it's used as a rhetorical question. And so how does this template, or how does this structure look in Arabic? So here it is. It starts with waman, right? That's like a constant, and then it's followed by the comparative. And then we have a min, and it's followed by the person. So if we were to relate this back to the example we saw earlier, it would be waman. Then the comparative is deserving of love, of your love. And then we'd have the min, and then the person, which was your children, right? So translate as who is more deserving of your love than your children. Waman, deserving of your love, min, your children. Okay?
It's quite a mix of languages
there. Yeah, so let's look at a pure Arabic example. Okay. So we have waman alstaq, right? We have the first part of our template, the men. And then we said it would be followed by a comparative, which is alstaq. And then we have the second part of our template, which is the min. And then it's followed by the person. Okay. Right, so waman, comparative, min, person. And then it translates as who is more truthful than God. And then what are we going to do with this qiran part? It's a general noun with an n label coming at the end after a comparative. So that's a
qualifier.
Yeah, that's a qualifier, and that's why in the translation we have in their speech.
Oh, so in terms of their speech.
Yeah, who is more truthful than God in terms of their speech.
Okay.
Is that clear? So go ahead.
It's waman, comparative, min. So kind of what we've added from what we've learned before is just the question part of it.
Yeah.
Just the question word. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, it is. So we see astaqu min Allah is just a comparative followed by a min phrase, right? And then we just added the waman, which makes it a question.
Okay.
Good. Okay. And then here's something to note. The min will often be followed by men, which translates as the one who.
Wait, another man?
Another man.
Okay.
Right? So basically what we're saying is that this person field here will often be occupied by the word men.
Okay.
So waman, comparative, min, men.
Okay.
Which translates as who is comparative, then the one who.
Oh, right.
Because men means the one who.
And the one who, that will be followed by
something, right? We don't stop at the one who.
Okay.
Right, the one who does something. Right. Basically, it'll be followed by a sentence. Okay? And then the way this will look in Arabic, because when you have a min followed by a men, they merge in the script and they look like mimmen.
Okay.
It turns into mimmen. And so the way this template will look is waman, comparative, mimmen.
All right.
Right, waman, comparative, mimmen, which translates as who is comparative, and then the one who.
All right.
Okay.
So it's the same template, except the person is replaced with a men.
Yeah, the person field is filled up by a men.
Okay.
Which means the one who. So it's the same template. Who is more something than the one who does something.
Okay.
Okay, let's look at an example that'll be more useful than a bunch of somethings. So here we have waman, right, starts, and then we have our comparative, and then we have our mimmen. And then it'll be followed by a sentence.
Okay.
Okay, so waman, comparative, mimmen, sentence. And it translates as who is more wrongdoing than the one who. And then our sentence fabricates lies against Allah.
Okay, so the men will always be followed by a full sentence.
Yeah.
A full idea.
Yep.
Okay.
So waman, who is adlam, more wrongdoing. And then mimmen is then the one who.
Okay.
Are we clear? Any questions?
No. So we just basically added men to the beginning of a comparative sentence in order to make it a rhetorical question.
Exactly.
And then sometimes min can be followed by a different kind of men.
Right.
And it'll become mimmen.
Yeah, and so when you see mimmen, basically, a nice way to summarize it, mimmen equals then the one who.
All right.
All clear?
Mm-hmm.